Yo, what is up, everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning back in. So, yes. One second. Yo, what is up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. So, yes, now we are officially on live. So let's go over today. Today was obviously a great day for us. I also want to go over some end-of-day swings as well. But yes, guys, please remember before tuning in, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, today was a great day. I will definitely say for the team. And what did we do here? We had the Qs a little bit earlier, and also we had our KLB. As you can see, what do we see here? Qs. Yes, we'll start on the Qs, of course. This is what we call it to the downside. A little bit earlier, and as you can see, I think this was on a 1 hour. So yeah, we did have a break and candle closure underneath this wall. So go ahead, 1 second here. And yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, what a great day we had. We saw a clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I wanted to the downside. Obviously, all I needed was a break under the wall, which we did end up breaking under, which left us to target to the downside. So that ended up working great for us. Now, let's look at some more trades. Let's look at some more swings that I'm seeing. 1 second here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Appreciate y'all tuning in. All right, so that was on the Qs. Let's go to a different trade here. Let's go to NVIDIA. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing right now. NVIDIA. And yes, I use the same setup every single day. I don't change anything. Let's see. 2 hour. Oh, wow. So NVIDIA was very close that I can clearly see. So, yes. What was this? Same thing here, guys. I seen a clear move up. And this actually does look pretty decent. Let me go ahead and break this down again. And so I can circle exactly what I'm seeing, what I'm showing. As you can see, what is this? Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, all that we needed was a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top wall here. Also, there's a bottom wall. So this is an area of where these contracts, or not contracts, where, you know, price is having a hard time getting under. And if we do end up under there, so if we end up breaking, having a candle closure below, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. So yes, empty space, pretty much between levels. We have a top wall, also another bottom wall here. And yes, we aren't trading inside of consolidation, so no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. Yo, what's up? So what broker? I mean, you can use any broker. I use TradeStation, Webull as well, and possibly Robinhood sometimes. But yes, what do we have here? Clear move. In between the middle, this is going to be my imbalance. This is where, you know, price can end up rejecting, as a couple other examples I was showing. But yeah, right now, what are we doing? We are consolidating. I am not going to do anything at all except for, you know, just to wait for this. But yeah, it doesn't look bad though. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So as you can see, we are closing underneath this cost-based area, so that's a good sign. So we'll just have to see if we end up rejecting. But yes, all of my plays look exactly like. I don't change anything. This is what we did today on the Qs. Obviously, yes, do your own research. Not financial advice, so yes, you all have to do your own research. Yeah, Stevie, yeah, same here, man. So we'll just have to see with that. But yes, we've seen a clear move up, no consolidation. We had an area consolidation that we needed to break. We did end up breaking under there, and yes, a little bit of RKLB too. But yeah, we'll keep going. So that was on the video. Let's go to let's see what Tesla's doing. Tesla, and then I want to pull up SOFI too. SOFI. Yo, thanks for liking live. Really appreciate it, Liv. All right, so 24 hour. What are we seeing, or what am I seeing at least? Not gonna lie. So I've been waiting for this trade for a very long time. Not gonna lie to you. So what did I see here first? Boom, this clear move down. So you know what? We'll just go ahead and break it down. So yeah, same play each and every day. I don't change anything at all. But what is, yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. All that I needed was a break, or all that I need at least, because there's no entry, there's nothing for me to do. And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Boom, what is this? Top wall, also bottom wall here. So this is an area of consolidation that does look pretty fire. Not bad. So top wall that I'm seeing, points of contact. So this is where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. Body wick, body candle here. As you can see, first take profit would still be where I don't see resistance, until where I see resistance, which is right here. That looks pretty fire. So right now, I've been waiting on this one for a very long time, so I'm definitely not gonna get into this at all until we can break over that level. And this right here is another box. Oh, that's just for the disclosures. I only deal with crypto. I'm getting fire, man. Shout out to Stevie, man. So yeah, let's see. So that was on Tesla. That does look pretty good. Did you play Tesla today? Dude, I did. I had the Qs a little bit earlier. But yeah, we had, so that was on Tesla. But then yeah, that did look pretty good. Oh wow, yeah, that did look pretty fire. So yeah, same thing there, man. What do we see at first? We seen an obvious clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. There was, and no, I didn't take this one, but this is a very good example. There was a bottom wall. It looks like we did hit the inbounds. One second. I just want to see it really quickly. Actually, yeah, we did touch perfectly into the inbounds, as you can see. And then we ended up reversing. So we tapped actually perfectly. We had the clear move up. No consolidation. We had a bottom wall that needed to be broken. And under us, I didn't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. And yes, this is another box there. Another area of consolidation. But in the middle, this is where price ended up reversing. As you can see, we broke and closed under. Wow, that was a perfect play, but yeah, I didn't get into that one. I was into the Qs. Yo, Mr. Green, what's up? Yo, thanks for the follower. Appreciate it. Yeah, Meta. Yeah, no worries. Meta, perfect. Let's see. One second here. 1 second. Let's see. All right. So I think this was on a 4-hour. All right. Yeah. So there is still a little bit of empty space here that does look pretty good. So we did this on a 4-hour. Or I think, was it a 2-hour? You know, that was, yeah, 2-hour chart. Okay, so same thing here. And you know what? We'll break it down. Yo, got you. SMCI. Yeah, we'll go back over Tesla too. No worries. So SMCI. All right, cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking for some end-of-day swings. So I'm just pretty much getting ready for the last hour. It's gonna be great. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So right here, what do I see here first? So the same thing that I've always seen. What is this? I see a clear move up of all green candles with no red candles interfering. And all that I'm waiting for is a break underneath the level. So what is this? Beautiful top wall, beautiful bottom wall as well. As you can see, under us we have the empty space all the way down until, boom, where is this? Another area of consolidation there. So yes, inside the middle, what is this? This is an area of no consolidation. We are floating above cost bases right now, so no, there is no entry for me. Obviously, yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But man, we had a crazy day. We caught the keys. It was wild. As you can see, we're consolidating. So yes, if we are stuck in consolidation, I definitely wouldn't want to take this trade at all. Check out ZZ. Yeah, no worries. Let me go ahead and write that down. ZS, PLTR, cool. SMCI, yeah. So right now, I'm personally going to wait. I don't want to take this trade right now since we are pretty much in the consolidation area. Let's see. All right, yeah, cool, perfect. Honestly, let's see what this was. Looks like, oh, well, there was a little bit empty space here. So same thing here. Obviously, I didn't take this trade, but clear move down. We ended up breaking above the level. We did end up going to the upside. So let's see. 24 hour. Okay, yeah, that 24 hour does look good. Looks like it built some empty space. But personally, for this, you know, like a trade like this, I just don't like how these candles are forming. But I will be honest. Yes, that does look pretty good. We do have the empty space that, you know, is pretty fire. But I would just need some structure, top wall, bottom wall. But we yet to have that right now. PLTR, SMCI. Let's see. Oh yeah, I already have SMCI. And we'll do SPY too. I think we went over what the cues. So yeah, SMCI, let's do it. Yeah, gotcha, my guy. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so 24 hour. Oh wait. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't look that bad though. So yeah, one second here. All right, so yo, Kato, what's up? Yo, Manhattan Trader, thanks for liking live, bro. Appreciate you for tuning back in. Man, okay. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, that does look pretty good. All right, so there is that I'm clearly seeing empty space here. I do like this 24-hour chart, so same thing here. And yes, I get into all my swing trades the last hour, so no, I'm not getting into anything. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything either, so please do your own research, of course. What do we have? We have a top wall and look like a bottom wall here. So that's cool, whatever. So there's this top wall, and this also there's another bottom box here that I'm clearly seeing, and above us. So right here, there's a wall there. Hopefully, honestly, if we do end up breaking like this, this will be another great wall. But if we get over, there is empty space. So if we break above that, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. Obviously, first CP would still be, let's see. But it looks like we did kind of already try to touch the inbound, so I'll just be very careful with this one. But yes, not financial advice. You have to do your own research, so please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. All right, hold on. Give me a second. 24 hour. Oh, wow. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. As you can see, let's see. 1 second here. All right, so PLTR. And this was actually a trade I called out, but didn't get into myself. 1 second there. We had a clear move. Hold on. So there's still a little bit of empty space here that doesn't look bad. But yes, under us, what is this? Could you, yeah, I can do, yeah, Emmy, yeah, no worries. MQ, and then, could you take a look at Tesla and NVIDIA? It seems like that your predictions did not pan out. Hold on, wait, 1 second. It didn't pan out. Let me see. Oh, yeah. It didn't pan out because we aren't above my level. So yes, if we are above, if we aren't above my level, if we're still consolidating, so we had a consolidation wall here. We had a bottom wall there. So yes, obviously, if we're in consolidation, then it's not going to pan out. I would need a break over my wall before I end up taking anything. So right now, yeah, we can end up consolidating between these two levels for, you know, I've been waiting for the trade for weeks actually. So we can keep consolidating. It doesn't really matter. But as long as we break above this level that I'm seeing, then this is exactly what I would want. But right now, definitely, there's definitely no trade. So obviously, yes, it did not pan out right now. So I don't really care about this trade. So if I, you know, see us in consolidation, I don't care about it. I would only care about this if we can end up breaking above my level into the empty space. But yeah, that's just pretty much it. Yo, Colin, what's up? What's up? Oh, what's your obvious? So it really depends. If I, you know, enter into a swing trade, I personally like to enter in like at the end of the day. Yeah, that's just pretty much it, like the last 30 minutes. And yes, all of my, you know, trades end up looking like, obviously today, you know, on a lower time frame, we had the Qs, clear move up. We did end up breaking below a level, a wall, tapping to the downside as well. Also, we had RKLB. So yes, these are the, you know, end of day swings. Obviously Claymos today, but anyways, we had a clear move down of no consolidation. And yes, 24-hour charts. So the 24-hour charts is, you know, pretty much where I like to, you know, take most of my trades. And we did end up breaking above the level. And then the end of the day. So yes, the end of the day, each candle's worth what? 1 day. So we were above this level at the end of the day, which allowed us to target the empty space. And that's just pretty much it for that. So yeah, we'll keep going. Yo, Simone, what's up? What's up? And Tony, what's up? Yeah, APP and also IBM. Yeah, no worries. APP and IBM. All right, wait, hold on. Give me a second. And also NVIDIA. 1 second here. So let's see. Oh yeah, so NVIDIA, same thing there. It didn't pan out because buyers are still control of this level. If we don't have a break and candle body closure underneath this wall, then I definitely won't take this trade. So yes, buyers were still in control of this floor. And yes, if we still are consolidating in between these two levels, I'm not taking a trade at all. I'm personally going to wait. So same thing with the Qs. And this was what, from today, literally from this morning. We had a clear move up of all these green candles and we were waiting. So if we're consolidating, I definitely don't want to get into any trades at all. We ended up breaking below the level and on a lower time frame had the entry. Boom, we tapped perfectly. So yes, I just wait for the empty space. So yeah, if we're consolidating, I definitely don't do anything at all, except for wait. And sometimes, yes, you have to wait. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, before you tune into the live stream, please do your own research. So I pretty much, you know, I have some like starter positions, but nothing crazy. I had the Qs this morning, and if you guys want to see what we did on the Qs today, go to the games page, go to the testimonials. Link is in the bottom for the Discord if you guys and gals do want to join up. Or if you don't want to, it's fine. So yes, NVIDIA, let's see. APP, yeah, let's see. See what the damage is there. Alright, yeah, let's go to a 24-hour, you know. We love the 24-hour charts. Oh, wow. Honestly, that doesn't look too bad. Give me a second here, give me a second. Let me see on a lower time frame really quickly. See if it adds up. Honestly, that does look pretty good. Let's see. But yes, guys, not financial advice. You have to do your own research, please. So yeah, we had the Qs, and then we also had what, NU, and then RKLB. Can I ask you, yo, what's up, Meg? When you say buy or sell, do you mean across the board, like beyond options trading? So no, like literally inside of the box. So let me go over this example really quickly so you can understand what I mean by buyers and sellers. All right, so the box, inside of the Potter box, we have the top floor and the bottom floor. Obviously, let's, you know, let me go ahead and boom, right here. So yes, this is exactly what we want to target to the downside. So 1 second here. All right, cool. So this right here, this is exactly what I see. So I see a clear move up of all these green candles, and this is exactly what we want to the downside, obviously. But this box right here, you can see, so we have a bottom floor and the top floor. So the bottom floor, this is buyer's control. So this is where these candles, like literally these candles have to end up, so their job is to keep price pushing up basically. And sellers are at the top of the box. So seller's job is to keep price pushing down. And you can see each side is doing their job. One is pushing up and the other is pushing down. And that's just pretty much it. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yo, Apple, yeah, I can definitely do that. Hopefully that helps, Max. Just let me know. Why do you... So, yes, not financial advice. So, please do your own research. So, yes, not financial advice. Why do you and... let me see. Why do you and others say you're not advisors if you're knowledgeable? This is something we have to say. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. So, you have to do your own research, of course. Sorry if it was a dumb question. I was here. Yeah, no worries. No worries. You're good. But yeah, buyers are going to be at the bottom of the box. So buyers drop, push price up, and sellers is going to be at the top of the box, push price down. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. Did you mean to see something? Say something? Yeah, let me see. Actually, one second here. I got you, my guy. So PLTR, yes. Clear move up. We end up breaking below this level, this wall. I would love to take it to the downside. But right now, there's just no entry for me at all. But yes, this is what we did today. As you can see, we had... And yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, do your own research. So as you can see, we had the Qs. We had this clear move up. We broke down from this level. We did end up targeting to the downside. Same thing with RKLB. We had some RKLB as well. So if you want to see what we did today, obviously I can't show you. You have to do your own research. But yeah, you go to the Discord, go to the games page, and just look at, what we did on the Qs. And also RKLB. But yeah, we'll keep going. So that was on PLCR. So let's see. So did we go over IBM? One second, IBM. I'm not gonna lie, that SMCI does look pretty fire. Yeah, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So come on, one second. APP, yeah, so I'm not gonna lie to you, this does look pretty decent. Let's see, we have a top wall, we also have a bottom wall. I don't know about that, Sam. But yeah, have a blessed one, man. I don't know about that, though. Yeah, that's funny. Anyways. Yeah, let me look at that. I got you, my guy. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So, got you. So APP, this doesn't look that bad. I will be completely honest. So there is, as you can see. Yo, Rebirth, yo, Qs, yep, got you. Yeah, no worries. And yes, please, guys, do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research, of course. Yes, what do we have? Looks like a little bit of empty space here. Looks pretty fire. I would want to take this up to here. So, as you can see, what do we have? A top wall that needs to be broken. We do end up break, or if we do, I don't see any resistance, guys, until this green candle here. Boom. First TP would still be under that. That's perfect. Yeah, so this looks fairly good. I'm not gonna lie. So I would just have to wait for this one. We'll just have to see, pretty much. But yes, end of day. That's when I pretty much take all of my trades. I don't change anything at all. And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But damn, that does look pretty good. Not gonna lie to you. Oh, IBM. Let's go, fire. I didn't even get into this one, but honestly, I hit on the Qs today and like RKOB, so I was like, you know what? That's all good. So IBM actually did end up going there. Yep, Moneybags, what's up, dude? All right, let's see. 12 hour. Oh wow. Hold on. That 12-hour chart looks really good. Wait, hold on. That doesn't look bad though. Yeah, I'll definitely look at that. I got you, man. So what do we see here? There's another top wall, another bottom wall there. We have a box here. So another box to that box. We aren't at the inbounds, which is a very good AAPL. Oh, the contracts are expensive. Oh, okay. So thanks for looking at the contracts. And yeah, if the contracts, are expensive or, the contracts look terrible, I definitely would, just pass on it. But we'll just have to see. I'll have to look at it too a little bit later. Depends if it's worth it. But yes, clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. We end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance to this, 215 area. But right now, yes, there's nothing for me to do. I'm not getting into any of these trades. I'm only going over examples. But yeah, Moneybags, you're earning something right there. That looks really good. Yo, Tyler, thanks for the follow, man. I really appreciate it. All right, so the SMCI, that does look pretty good. APL. All right, yeah, cool. Hold on, give me a second here. Oh, there might be something. Oh, there might be something here. There might be something here. I think we have red folder. So yeah, we have a couple. We have some news that we for tomorrow. So we'll just have to see what's up. But honestly, for Pep, I'm not going to lie to you. So hopefully this closes like this, so we can have this nice top wall, beautiful bottom there. Wow, that's great. What do we have? A box and another. So one box here. As you can see, there's no resistance until, boom, this green box here. So yes, another area of consolidation that doesn't look that bad. Yes, what do we have? Oh man, this doesn't look bad at all. I'm not going to lie to you. So yes, top wall, bottom wall, inside of the middle, we have the empty space. That does look pretty good, pretty fire. So right now, am I going to do anything? Obviously not. I'm not going to take any trades here because we are stuck in this area of consolidation, and I do not want to be inside of any trades if I'm, obviously in consolidation. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. What do we have here? So what did I just circle, or what am I circling? This clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering, and this is exactly what I do. I look for the same trade each day. Obviously, yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. This is what we just did, this is all I'm looking for. Clear move up of no consolidation. We break outside of consolidation. Boom, I want us to go down to target. So, what do we have? What? Pepsi, obviously, clear move down, we can take it up. Or clear move up, we can take it down. Obviously, RKLB, clear move down. Same thing with what? Pepsi, clear move down. We end up breaking above level. We go up a tap. Obviously, that move isn't even finished yet, but PLTR, yeah, let me take a look at that too. It looks, I think when I was looking at it, it was. So, 1 second here. So on the 4 hour, it does look like we are fighting with what? Sellers control. So sellers are at the top, buyers are at the bottom. But yeah, if we consolidate, it does look like we are, kind of consolidating here. So this is top wall, body candle there, body candle there. If you want to make it, a wall there, boom. What is that? 2 points of contact here. So yeah, let's see. I got you, man. Yeah, no worries. No worries at all. Oh, wow. So, yes, there does look like there is some empty space here. Personally, I probably won't even take a trade on this, but let's see. Let's break it down. Wow. It went from $10 to $30. Wow, crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So I will be honest. I do see something here. 1 second. We'll go to 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hours fine. So yeah, same thing here. I look for the same setup. It doesn't matter what chart it is. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to see my trade, and we'll set the targets, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, do your own research, of course. What do we see here? We have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall here. That looked pretty decent. We have, what is this right here? Boom. Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. We end up breaking below this level. No resistance until here. That does look pretty good. So right now, yes, we are above us. Does look like we tapped above our top wall. So there's just nothing for me to do right now, except for just wait. Hey, can you show us how to identify the general trend? Yeah, no worries. Obviously, you can use trend lines. You can use things of that sort. But personally, I just use the Potter box with empty space. Obviously, you can see higher highs, lower lows, things of that sort. But yeah, I'll give you some examples here. Give me a second. So yeah, let's go to SPY actually. So SPY, let's see. Oh wait, I actually had a play on SPY really quickly. So as you can see, this does look. Hold on, give me a second. Hold on. So yes, I like to start on the higher time frame and then work my way down. So yes, we clearly start on the weekly and then we work our way down. If I don't see anything on a weekly chart, I just go down to a lower Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. Maybe I see something, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I do see something there, but you know, that doesn't look anywhere close to where we're going. But yes, personally, I just use thinking of I could definitely do Carvana CVNA. Yeah, no worries. So I personally use the Potter Box. Obviously, you know, I have no indicators. I have no volume. I have nothing on these charts except for the Potter Box with the empty space. Obviously, when I traded other strategies, you know, I was using like what? I was using like crazy things. Obviously, if you seen my charts, you could see it a little bit earlier. I think I posted it one time. It was like my charts like 2 years ago, or like not 2 years ago, like 4 years ago. And charts now is actually wild. How do you get the extended time frame on TradingView? So yes, all you have to do, extended time frame. So let's go to a 24-hour. All you have to do is just go down here, you right click it, and you have a session, and you go from regular trading hours. You can see gaps there, and then you just go to extended time frame. So yes, it will be directly at that bottom right here. So yeah, no worries at all. So personally, I like to start. Yeah, I personally like to start at least. And yes, guys and gals, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, please do your own research. But personally, yes, I do like to start on the higher time frame because it gives you the bigger picture. Because if I'm like, let's just say if I'm on a 1 minute chart, obviously yes, I still use the same setup on each chart. It doesn't matter. But if I take a trade on a 1 minute chart, I don't want to it's not the real move. But the higher time frames is going to actually tell you the full story pretty much. Thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you tune into the live stream, just make sure to do your own research. But yeah, we'll keep on going. Let's see. So CVNA, yeah, let's look at that CVNA. Honestly, I want to look at some earnings plays. Let's see if we have any good earnings. I think we do though. Oh yeah, that does. Yeah, that still doesn't look bad though. What is this? We still have the clear empty space move down. And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, you have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, what do I see here? I'm looking at a clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. We do end up breaking above this level. I can see it's in the empty space, but right now it looks like we are being stagnant there. So I'm definitely not entering into anything. So please do your own research, of course. SOFI. I was like, Siri. Yo, what's up? Did you engage in any trading today? If so, how was your experience? So actually, yes. So we had a couple swings from last week, and we had RKLB and also another one, and yeah, that worked out pretty well. Ended up taking some profits, and then yes, we did have the Qs today. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. But yeah, this is what we did today. As you can see, today we had Qs, and as you can see, I only traded one time, and I just wait for my setup to happen, and then I go into the next setup. And usually, I like to find 1 day trade or two, and then wait for my end of day swings if we have a trade. But I personally don't rush into anything. I don't like to overtrade. I just try to find my setup, and once I see my setup, I'll take it, and then it either works or it doesn't. And as you can see, we had RKLB too as well. So before, aftermath, that that good stuff. RKLB, dude, I know, man. That RKLB was amazing, man. It was like the perfect push right at open. I was like, yeah, I think it was like right before it, and then it started, just going insane. So that was great. Starbucks earnings, yeah, we can definitely do that. So we got to do SOFI, and then we'll do Starbucks. Yeah, no worries. Hold on 1 second here. Gonna pin that comment. Shout out to Johnny for pulling up. Do you use channels as Cthulhu's like Potter does, or really just Potter boxes? Personally, yes. Maybe on my not on my live streams, I'll go more in depth, but in the lives, I just pretty much use the Potter box for the empty space. I do like to look at the contracts a lot. too as well. Brother, I'm joining the VIP now. Yeah, no worries, man. So yes, if you want to join the free Discord, we have a free Discord. Link is in the bio. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals and everything. So yes, link is in the bio for everything. But honestly, yes, you can join the free chat. Everyone there is pretty cool. No worries. Timas. Wait, Norris. Hold on. Give me a second there. Wait. Hold on. You might be right. Oh, man. Yeah. So, about Timas, I wanted this last week, actually. And, yo, Myra, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely do Netflix. Yeah, no worries. And I actually wanted this last week, but no, I didn't get it. We did have the empty space. So yes, if we are stuck in consolidation, there's nothing for me to do. I'm not doing a single thing. We have the empty space. I'm going to wait for my trade. If we're stuck in consolidation, then I'm not going to get into anything. As you can see, buyers are still in control of the floor. Buyers still stepped up and claimed the floor here. So there's just nothing for me to do. But yeah, that does look pretty good, maybe in the further future. But yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. So please just do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's keep on going. But yeah, that does look pretty good, not gonna lie. So hold on, SOFI. Let's see what the damage is here. All right, so maybe on a lower time frame that I can possibly see something. 1 second here. Probably either a 1 hour or 2 hour. Let's see. All right, yeah, that 1 hour doesn't look bad at all. What do we have here? So same exact thing. We have, hold on. Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. We have a top wall, also. Bottom wall, that does look really fire. And as you can see, this is an area of where, price is having a hard time getting under. You can literally see it perfectly. Body wick, body candle. Hold on, let me turn this down. So yes, body wick, body, candle, another body wick, closing directly the same line. And under us, there's no consolidation. And so boom, here, say another box, another wall. And in between, I don't see any resistance to here. So yes, right now, we are consolidating. There's nothing for me to do. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, as of right now, that does look pretty good, but there's just nothing for us to do. We're still consolidating. Doesn't look bad, though, for the further future. Not bad, not bad. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. And please do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, give me a second. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I swear I'm here. Appreciate y'all sticking by. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's get straight to it. Yeah, Donuts, what's up? Yeah, Tesla. So, personally for Tesla, I'm still waiting on this trade, and as you can see, what do we have here? And let's see. Boom. So yes, we have this play pretty much set, but we aren't over our wall, so we are nowhere near the entry point, at least for me, because what I saw here was a clear move down. So clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, we had our target set, so we needed to break above this top wall here, this body candle and another body wick, closing directly at the same line. And if we end up breaking above that wall there, I don't see any resistance still up to here. So this is also another top wall, bottom wall, top wall as well. And yeah, that looks really good. Yes, still, the imbalances still will be my first TP. But yeah, right now, I'm definitely not doing anything. So I'm not telling you guys to buy anything either as well. How do I join your Discord? So yes, my Discord is, the link is in the bio. Yeah, we have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. So the VIP chat is where we give signals. But yeah, join the free chat. See how you like it. Everyone there is pretty cool as well. But yes, everything will be in the link in the bio. And welcome to the team as well. So yeah, hold on. Did I not go over Spy? I think I did, but hold on. Well, let's see. Spy. All right, yeah, we've been waiting on this one. Obviously, we got the Qs, but this one didn't want to trigger yet. So as you can see, same thing here. What do I look for? What am I looking for? I see a clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. Thanks for the followers. Really appreciate it. Yes, sir, man. Waiting for the swings. Swings, was pretty much what we mainly focus on. Obviously, yes, we did hit the Q today, but yeah, at the play sets, that's exactly what we hit. So yes, I will be in the VIP Discord probably in the next like 20 minutes or so. But yeah, no worries. Thanks for liking live, man. Really appreciate it. So yes, what do we have here? Clear move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. We have, I think we did this on a 1 hour? Yeah, this was on a 1 hour, my bad. So yes, bottom wall, body candle, and also a body wick, closing directly at the same line. If we end up breaking below that level, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. So yes, another box, another wall. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty decent. So yeah, right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing, because we are consolidating in between these two levels. But yeah, if we can end up breaking under, that would be great. So that really much, that's what happened with the Qs today. What happened here? This is what I saw. So I saw a clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yeah, don't even worry about this. Let's just worry about the present. We had a top wall or a bottom wall that needed to be broken. Bottom top wall. We ended up flushing under, which led us to go to the downside, which ended up being great for us. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. I'm only going over examples and how I utilize Potterbox, but yes, please do your own research. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. We shall keep going. So the Qs, honestly, hopefully, for tomorrow, we can fill this empty space. But we'll just have to see how tomorrow plays. Dude, Zach, bro, it's, it was a great Monday. Ready for some swings, but if we don't get those, obviously tomorrow we'll have them. But yeah, I definitely see a couple good setups. We caught the Qs. We caught a couple other trades too as well. How did you catch QQQ in the hourly? Dude, shout out to Zach, man. So yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So personally, how do we catch this on the, so as you can see, this is, I call this in the VIP chat. I gave instructions, of course, as I always do. So I saw a clear move up on the 1 hour. So there's a 1 hour, 3, green candles with no red candles interfering, possibly 4. We do end up breaking below that level of that wall. We went it down and tapped, as you can see for the Qs. So let me go ahead and see if I can bring that box back up. So, all right, so same thing here. What do we see? This clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And on a lower time frame, I seen that we broke under. So yes, higher time frame analysis, lower time frame entry, that there was nothing to stop us on, the 10-minute trade or this chart. We ended up breaking below, and buyers stepped up, they got flushed out, and boom, that was pretty much it. PFE, yeah. Yo, 2,000 likes is great, man. Really appreciate it. Honestly, we even had empty space here. Look how crazy this is. There's another wall there. Another box. We had empty space. Back up into this wall. Absolutely wild. What? How big? 468, 490. Oh, that's like almost $2 move up. This man spends his free time help. Yo, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. All good, man. No worries. So yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. So yes, before you're tuning into the live stream, please do your own research, of course. Not telling guys to buy anything, so please, of course, do your own research, of course. Starbucks is, wait, hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. Wait, what is the 28th? Okay, cool. Perfect. So what do we have? So after close earnings, we have a little bit of WMNUE before open. Oh, wow. Before open tomorrow. SOFI, KO. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. I see some good setups. Give me a second here. Oh, they got JetBlue. Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, this is kind of exciting. Yo, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it. But yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. I just want to see what we have here. So we have what? PayPal, SOFI. Hold on. SOFI. All right, cool. I see that. PYPL. I see some good setups, so I definitely can see. Where do you see that chart of coming up? So which one? Which one? I was just showing a couple other ones. But yeah, Simone, I got you with what's it called? The Starbucks. Just give me 1 second. UPS, KO. Bless me. UPS does look pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie, that does look not bad. Especially if that empty space is filled. We are above that cost basis area. But it doesn't look bad. We'll just have to see with that. Oh, okay, my bad. I thought you were talking about one particular chart. But yes, I use Earnings Hub, and Earnings Hub is, and yeah, you can see I don't even have an account. But yeah, Earnings Hub, and no, I'm not trolling you. It's literally Earnings Hub there at the top, right here. But yeah, that's just pretty much how I seen it. Thank you. Shout out to Meg. I really appreciate it. You just did CVNA. Did I do CVNA? I think so. But yeah, let me go over Starbucks really quickly, and then we'll do that. Earnings has been pretty... Dude, yeah, it really has, honestly. Let's see. S-Bucks. Yes, sir. Shout out to you, man. Really appreciate it. Yo, Marcus, what's up, man? I'm new to this. Can I start? And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, dude, you can start with like less than that, honestly. But yeah, I personally, if I was new, I would just make sure to how to use brokers, all that good stuff. So start with paper trading, and then start with small sizes, and then work your way up. Yeah, just take your time though. You're good, man. So yeah, let's see. So Starbucks, still clear move down. All of these, all these red candles with no green candles interfering. We end up breaking above this level, above this wall, and I don't see any resistance till this next box. So yeah, I will be honest, I have been waiting for this trade for a very long time. So, Simone, once we get this, I think it'll be great. But as of right now, at least for me, I'm waiting. I'm not getting into any trade for this one right now. Yo, Triple S, how do you find inexpensive trades to go for futures or for futures? So yes, a lot of these setups, you can see, there's a lot of stocks out here for options that have cheap contracts. Like for example, we have AT&T. I think these are very cheap contracts as well. There's a lot of trades. You just have to look at the contracts. Just look up some different companies and see what the contracts look like. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research, of course. 1 second there. Let's see, CVNA. That does look pretty good. So yeah, still a lot of empty space here. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research, of course. So, do you think candlestick trading is a good start? So personally, yes. I use candlesticks. Just make sure to, you know, get a strategy, you know, get a mentor, you know, whatever. Obviously, yes, do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, it doesn't have to be my Discord. It doesn't have to be me. It could be like anyone else. Obviously, you know, pick a strategy you like and go with it. Obviously, you know, I use Potterbox with MB Space, but you don't have to use that. You can use literally anything else. You could, you know, find out if you want to do Forex, you know, crypto. Obviously, I do options and future stuff. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, please, please do your own research. Target, dang, I did want that. There's a lot of trades that I did end up wanting. CVS, still same thing there. Looks pretty good. BA hit crazy. Yeah, so yeah, the Potterbox works on, you know, crypto, works on Forex, works on the 1 minute chart, the 24-hour chart, the 1 hour chart. Like you can see, like this was just literally today inside the Discord. And if you want to see what we do inside the Discord, look at the games page, look at the testimonials, even ask some of the members. But yeah, everything is linked in the bio if you do want to join. We have the free chat as well. Honestly, we have the VIP, but just join the free chat, honestly. See how you like it. But yes, please do your own research. Not financial advice, so no, I'm not telling you guys to buy any of these or anything. So you just have to do your own research. So yes, we had a clear move up. We ended up breaking below the ball. Gave instructions there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was earlier today. But yeah, I'm done with these trades. I'm not getting into anything until, you know, the last 30 minutes or so. So yeah, we'll keep on going. Wow, hold on, give me a second. One second. Let's see. One second. So T. Dude, yeah, T is underrated. I love T. And also, what? VZ. VZ is definitely one of my favorites because... Oh, there was an actual trade on here too, actually, I think. Yeah, so yeah, we can see, like, I like V because, you know, these contracts are super, super cheap. Honestly, hold on, let me see what Tesla is talking about. Yeah, that's a, you know what, that's a great suggestion, man. Personally, it looks like we are still consolidating, so there's just nothing for me that I personally would want to do except for just to wait. And yes, if you are in my VIP Discord, I will be in there in about like 10-15 minutes giving swing entry, so yeah, no worries. Obviously, I'm only going to get into anything if we have a good trade. We did have, you know, so we swung RKOB and a couple other ones, and the Qs, so Q and RKOB is what we had today. That was great. So what a great Monday. Great start. So yeah, let's keep going. 2 hour. So yes, we did see, you know, don't even worry about this box here, but you know what, we'll just act like this is another box. All right, so same thing here. What is this? This is another wall, so another top wall. There's a bottom wall there. You can see what do we have under us. MP space, that looks pretty decent. Boom. So right now, yes, either way, both ways, we are still consolidating. So for me, I'm not going to do anything as well. So yeah, kind of, so that, my Discord link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. So yeah, everything is going to be in the link in the bio. Just make sure, guys, do your own research as well. Dude, yeah, it's been a great day. So obviously, I do see a couple swings that I'm definitely interested in getting into. But yeah, if they, like, at the last minute or whatever, if they don't want to, you know, trigger, then I definitely won't care about it. So we have always tomorrow. But yeah, I do see a couple good trades. I'm not going to lie to you, but we'll just have to see. I'm not going to enter into anything until the last 30 minutes, so. You know, as always, sometimes even, yes, the last 5 to 10 minutes, man. So hold on, give me a second. QQQ. Are you on Telegram? No, I'm not on Telegram. I only have a Discord, and this is my TikTok. Obviously, yes, you can look at everything in the link in the bio. Or, I mean, you don't have to anyways. I'm live every single day, pretty much. Except for Saturdays. But anyways. Alright, so, same thing here. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, you have to conduct your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy any of this. I'm only going over examples of how I personally utilize the Potter Box. All right, so same thing here. Dang, honestly, I'm waiting. Yes, we already, attacked the queues today. We're going to just get rid of all that. It's fine. I'm waiting for this clear move up to the upside, so I can take it to the downside. So that does look really good. We did have this move here, this empty space there. That was great. Yo, Potter, man, I know, bro. I'm like, oh my gosh, we have like some good stocks, but I'm waiting on Tesla. We have like a couple other ones. We're still, in consolidation. Thank God for the Qs and RKOB. Saying it, yeah, 100%, man. So, look, man, if Potter says it, and yes, guys, not financial advice, but if Potter says something, you might as well want to listen. But, yeah, even I see, like, yes, most of these trades are still stuck in consolidation. Shout out to Potter Stocks. Everyone go give him a follow as well. We're using the Potter Box right now, so make sure, give him his flowers, all that good stuff. Yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Tesla too. Honestly, if it does, that would be actually wild. So hold on. Looking at some other ones. Oh, ADBE doesn't look bad, but personally, I just don't want to chase this. Doesn't look terrible though. Yeah, I definitely don't want to chase that. It's fine. Disney. Still waiting on a lot of these trades. Let's see. Is weekly, not weekly. Let me see, a 4-hour. So yeah, same thing here. Still waiting. Even Disney looks really good. So a lot of these trades are still gonna wait for it. I see maybe a few that does look pretty decent, but we'll just have to see. BX, a lot of these trades here. Appreciate all the follows. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Really appreciate it. He said all of it. Let's see. Apple, we did a whole bunch of these trades. SMCI, let's see. SMCI, same thing there. Yeah, so even SMCI does look like it just ended up tapping as well. Had a clear empty space move down. We ended up breaking above a level, a wall. We go up and tap. As you can see, I just went over this one and it just wanted to go up to that empty space. Yeah, PLTR. Yeah, so I'm waiting on PLTR too. I did call this the upside. It does look like we are targeting into the upside, as you can see. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. One second here. There is, I will be honest, there is a little bit of empty space. Hold on. Up to there. One second here. But personally, I just don't want to chase this one. What do we have? That empty space there, that looks really good. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, 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 before you do anything, do your own research, of course. Hold on, give me a second. I gotta stretch my back out. And yes, if you are in my VIP chat, I will be in there in literally like 5 minutes. All right, so same thing. Let's keep going. Dude, I gotta get a better chair. But anyways, I got a nice chair, but I need a better one. Anyways, so yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. Let me make sure the chat is good. Let me make sure that the chat is all good. I think we're good. We're good. All right, yeah, honestly, let me look at IWM. I haven't even looked at IWM yet. Let's see. Well, it does look like we did end up targeting something and touching something. Oh, yes. IWM, that does look pretty good. We are still consolidating, it looks like. We did this on a 4-hour, I believe. Yeah, 4-hour. Yeah, that does look fairly good. We are still consolidating. So there's just nothing for me to do right now. I'm going to wait for another trade. But that doesn't look bad. We still are consolidating. We have, what, 50 minutes before we can end up with the close. So we'll just have to see how last hour ends up going for us. But honestly, yes, we had a great day. We had an amazing day. I do see a few swings that I am interested in, but we'll just have to see the last 30 minutes how they end up folding under. But yeah, doesn't look bad for a lot of them. Nike. Dang, even my Nike one. Oh man, I'm waiting on Nike too. Nike's gonna be. I'm gonna wait for that. COP. I think what earnings is tomorrow for that. COP does look pretty good though. I will be honest. I just be completely honest. I haven't even traded this one ever, but yes, it does look like we are in the NBA space. It doesn't look bad, but I'm not getting into anything until the last hour. I've seen it where we've taken, you know, or tried to take trades at, you know, the last 30 minutes. And yes, a lot of times the last 5 minutes is when the most action happens. I know that. So Catherine, I'm ready for Nike. It's gonna be great. So yeah, UPS. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, UPS. Do they have earnings too? I don't even. Oh wow, UPS. Let's see. So yeah. So pretty much, yeah, that does look pretty good to the upside. Obviously, if it wants to tap into this downside, not bad either. But yeah, from that 100 to that 109, doesn't look terrible. But yeah, we'll just have to see. Personally, I'm not getting into anything until what, the last 30 minutes. Obviously, everyone knows that now. All right, so yeah, same thing here. What am I seeing? So SOFI. I'm not gonna lie to you. Looks like the empty space is here, but personally, I wouldn't want to take this trade. Obviously, I think we had what, earnings or something, but I would just wait for that downside movement on like a regular play. That doesn't look bad though. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. And yes, I have to get off now. You know the routine. I have to go inside the VIP Discord, give entries and stuff. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. You can also join the VIP chat. But yes, please and thank you. Just do your own research. Thank you all so much. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.